Today I'm going to be going through how to fix the kernel security check failure in Windows 10. I believe this tutorial will also apply to users of Windows 8. Specifically, this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. And in case you guys are wondering, this error usually tends to stem from your display adapter. So we're going to just jump right into it here. And we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu. And we're going to type in Device Manager. Should be listed directly above the control panel, so you want to left click on that. And now you want to left click on the little arrow next to display adapters. Whatever your display adapter is listed here, you want to right click on it, and then left click on Properties. Go up to the Driver tab at the top, and then left click on Rollback Driver. Select any reason as to why are you rolling back. You could select previous version of the driver seem more reliable. That's probably what most of you guys are going to be selecting. And then hit yes. And then it should roll back your display adapter driver. And hopefully once the latest driver comes out, you can install it and it should work better. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.